All right, guys, so here's Kaden. He is brushing up to go to another welding job. He hasn't really welded that hard in 8 months. He's been working for a company at the house, and he came in here today to KWI to brush up. So all of his experiences and everything that he's been doing the last couple of years since graduating KWI has led him to work for very high-end companies, making good money traveling and welding. So we finished this convection box simulator, and he is now getting back in the swing of welding using our simulator. So he gets 2 weeks out of the year, free lifetime brush up to come in here and to get his welding skill back up to where it needs to be.
Hi, my name's Kaden Trent. I'm here at KWI brushing up on the box heaters. I got a call a little while ago for a job with one of these, and I haven't done it in a minute, so I wanted to bounce up here and make sure I wasn't rusty. I'll show y'all what it's like to brush up here at KWI today. I just wanted to tell you all a little bit about this school and some of the things it offers. You can leave here as a new, fresh welder, and if you really put in the work here, have chrome certs and super duplex certs and stuff that other welding schools just don't offer. If you get a call, you know, your first year out to go somewhere and weld P91 chrome, and you say you went somewhere that didn't offer some chrome certs, you know, you might not even take that job. Might have been a big money job, might have helped you meet good contacts, and you just completely missed out on it because you're afraid because you don't know how to weld it. Here, man, they give these certs out. It's just, there's no place like it, really, truthfully. I tell everybody that I talk to come here because of the things that they offer. In simulators, we got heaters here and boilers here. You don't get that, especially this boiler setup. There's just not a lot of this stuff going on anywhere else. I really think this is the best school in America. I've got my coupon tacked up in the heater here. I kind of put my tacks more to the right side because this is the tougher side. Even though I'm right hand dominant, you really can't see this bevel closest to me. So I want the shortest amount of weld to be on this side. I'm gonna probably get down around here and look up to the bottom and pressure feed my, my bottom quarter. And I'll probably stand here and look through some of these tube angles to get to the top quarter. And on this side, it's a little more open. I should just be able to see it for the most part over here. And that's how I'm gonna go about it today. I've got my root in it and about half of my hot pass flushed. I'm flushing that with my hot pass right now, so we're about there. I'm just getting back in the hang of it right now. It's been a while since I've been in a heater, and it's been a while since I've even welded, to be honest with you. And it's just, all these are is finding the best way you can to get in there and do it, more than it is anything else, you know? Make it the easiest you can on yourself. You're not going to be comfortable in a convection box, but it's best to make yourself as comfortable as you can be than sit there and fight with it. And that's about the only advice I have with it, honestly. I think it went pretty good overall. There's a few more things I need to work on, but not too bad for not being in a heater for as long as I had and really not welding for as long as I have. I've had a job at the house here for the last few months and haven't even struck an arc. But welding's one of those things you have to do quite often to stay good at, really. And if you're looking to go anywhere, you know, and learn how to weld, I really think this is the place to do it with all the simulators and certs that they offer. I really don't think that there's a better place to learn how to weld than here. People make the argument that you can go be a helper in a refinery, but then that's going to take years for you to learn how to weld and then years for you to get good at because you just don't understand welding and the knowledge that goes behind it. They teach you that here. I really think this is the best way to go.
So hopefully you enjoyed and valued Kaden's advice on traveling and welding and just choosing a welding school. Do your research and find out what the schools offer and what you're going to get. But here at KWI, we have all the simulators you need, all the different alloys and certifications to go with it. So that's it for this video. If you like this video and you want more of them, check out our YouTube channel, comment if you want to see more videos like this, and we'll get back to you. See you on the next one. This is Keegan and Kaden here at KWI.